Sankaro narakayaiva कुलग्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां लुप्तपिण्डोदकक्रियाः. An increase in unwanted children results in hellish life both for the family and for those who destroy the family. Deprived of sacrificial offerings, the ancestors of such corrupt families also fall. In this verse, Arjun continues to express the far-reaching consequences of family destruction. He believes that when society's moral structure collapses, starting with the loss of elders and dharma, the spiritual welfare of even the ancestors is disrupted. He says that Varna Sankara not only leads to suffering in this world but also causes the downfall of those who destroy the family, sending them to Narak, that is hell. The ancestors to fall from their heavenly realms due to the cessation of ancestral offerings like Pinda, that is food offerings, and Udaka, that is water rituals. In Vedic culture, continuing the family lineage and performing rites for ancestors was considered a sacred duty. If the family is wiped out, there would be no one left to perform these duties, and it was believed that the spiritual journey of the ancestors would be interrupted. Arjun's fear here stems from a deeply ingrained cultural and spiritual belief. The breakdown of dharma leads to disruption not only in this world but across generations, past, present, and future. This verse reflects how our individual actions ripple beyond our own lives. Arjun sees his participation in war not just as a personal moral failure, but as something that could disturb the sacred continuity of life and duty. However, his thinking is still rooted in attachment and fear. He is trying to avoid action because he fears the karmic consequences. Krishna will later teach him that what truly leads to spiritual fall is not action itself, but inaction when action is needed and action done without understanding or selflessness. This verse challenges us to reflect. Are we preserving dharma in our lives and families? Are our actions serving harmony or sowing confusion? Are we upholding responsibilities that go beyond just ourselves?